Homemade organic liquid fertilizer is a great way to provide essential nutrients to your plants without using harmful chemicals. It's easy to make and can be made from a variety of organic materials, such as compost, manure, or kitchen scraps. Today I'm going to discuss one of the best liquid fertilizers for vegetable plants, and the best part of this fertilizer is that you can use it in any season. Take around 5 to 6 cow dung cakes and crumble them into small pieces. It contains nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which is a primary nutrient for any plant. Take around 100 grams of micronutrient plant food. It contains boron, chlorine, copper, iron, manganese, and zinc. Collect waste green and brown leaves from your garden and chop them into small pieces. Add around 10 to 12 liters of water to the container or bucket. Mix the cow dung cake pieces, leaves and micro food into the water and stir it well. Cover the container with a lid and let it sit for 5 to 7 days. Stir the mixture once a day. Strain the mixture using a cheesecloth or a fine mesh strainer to separate any solid particles. Dilute the liquid with water in a 1:3 ratio, meaning 1 part of the liquid fertilizer and 3 parts of water. Transfer the liquid fertilizer into a watering can and apply the fertilizer to your plants. Use this fertilizer in the gap of 3 months because using only one fertilizer on plants can lead to nutrient deficiencies, soil depletion, soil acidity, toxicity, and reduced plant resilience. It's important to use a balanced range of fertilizers or soil amendments to provide all the necessary nutrients that plants need for healthy growth and development.